In previous class, I explained about construction of side. That is called triple S construction. Now today I am going to explain construction of side angle side. Keep heading. Construction of construction of construction of keep heading everyone left side. Yes, say yes. SAS means side angle side. Side yes capital, angle side. SAS construction. SAS construction. Right. SAS construction. Side angle side construction. If they have given two side, one angle, then how to do construction? Note down example 1. Draw an angle, draw a triangle, draw and draw a triangle, draw a triangle PQR, draw a triangle PQR with sides with sides with sides a PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter, comma, angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle P is equal to 60 degree. When we are going to do any construction, firstly I want to draw rough sketch. Draw one rough sketch. Draw one rough sketch. Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. PQ length is 8 centimeter. Angle P is 60 degree and PR length is 10 centimeter. This construction we are going to do. When you are going to do any construction, first you need to draw a rough sketch. With the help of rough sketch, we will start construction. Students, give 10 line caps. Draw one line segment. Draw one line segment. PR is equal to 10 centimeter by using scale. Draw one line segment. Draw one line segment. PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Always I will start construction from the base. Your base is PR. I want to draw one length PR I want to draw one length P or 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Length PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Give 10 line gaps students. Draw one line segment. PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Again, what is step 2? I want to construct 60-degree angle at which point? Point P. Construct 60-degree angle at point P. By using protractor, construct 60-degree angle. I want to draw 60-degree angle. This is 60-degree angle by using protractor. Take P as a center, construct 60-degree angle. Now 60-degree angle is ready. Next, now PQ length is 8 centimeter. Measure 8 centimeter length by using compass. 8 centimeter length. 8 centimeter length I took here. I want to keep my metal point at point P. Which is metal point here? Left side is metal point. I want to keep my metal point at point P. Keep your metal point at point P. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Next, this point name is Q. Now join QR. Join QR. Join QR by using scale. This is construction of triangle PQR. First draw line segment PQ, PR 10 centimeter. Take P as a center, construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. Again, take P as a center, draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter at point Q. Last step, join QR. Hence, PQR is the required triangle. Now down step 1. Step 1. Draw line segment PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Draw line segment. Draw line segment PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Draw line segment PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Step 2. Take P as a center. Take P as a center, comma, construct 60-degree angle, 60-degree angle, construct 60-degree angle of radius of an arc of radius of an arc of radius 8 centimeter at point Q. Step 3. Step 3. Join QR. Hence, PQR is the hence PQR is the required triangle. Note down very clearly, everyone. In this construction, you are observing students, they have given two side, one angle, then how to do construction. In previous class, we learned triple S, if they have given three sides, then how to do construction. Write down very clearly, everyone. Draw line segment PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Take P as a center, center spelling CENTRE, not ER. Construct 60-degree angle of an arc of radius 8 centimeter at point Q. Join QR. Hence, PQR is the required triangle. Angle side angle construction. Keep heading. Angle side angle construction. ASA. Angle side angle. ASA construction. Last topic of this chapter. Angle side angle construction. In previous question we have learned what? Side angle side. If they have given two side and one angle, then how to do construction? Now in this concept, if they have given two angle and one side, then how to do construction? Example 1, draw a triangle ABC, draw a triangle ABC with sides with side AB is equal to 6 centimeter, angle A is equal to 50 degree, and angle B is equal to 50 degree. In this question, you are observing students, they have given one side and two angle. How to do construction? Firstly, I am going to draw rough sketch. Draw rough sketch, everyone. Triangle ABC, triangle ABC, angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 50 degree, and AB length is 6 centimeter. This construction we are going to do. But here students are doing mistake. Where they are doing mistakes? Left side, right, left side angle very easily they will draw 50 degree. But when right side 50 degree turn has will come, what students are doing? They are drawing 50 degree this side. This is not 50 degree angle. This is obtuse angle. But 50 degree is the acute angle. Listen carefully, students. Left side 50 degree we can draw very easily. When I am talking about right side 50 degree, always we will take inside angle, not outside angle. If I am taking outside angle, this is forming obtuse angle. But actual 50 degree is acute angle. Listen my word very carefully, student. Otherwise you will do mistake in the while doing homework. 50 degree left side I can draw very easily. When I am talking about right side 50 degree, then always we will take inside angle, because 50 degree, the magnitude of this angle is less than 90. Means we want to draw acute angle. If we are taking like that, this answer is wrong. Always we will take 50 degree that side. Again 50 degree will take inside. Don't confuse here, because both are acute angle, not obtuse angle. Now I am going to start my construction. Leave 10 line gaps. Give 10 line gaps, everyone. Draw one line segment AB, 6 centimeter. Draw one line segment AB 6 centimeter by using scale. Draw one line segment AB 6 centimeter. Draw one line segment AB 6 centimeter. Draw one line segment AB 6 centimeter. Now draw one line segment AB 6 centimeter. Now take A as a center. Construct 50 degree angle by using protractor. Take A as a center. Construct 50 degree angle by using protractor. Take A as a center, construct 50-degree angle by using protractor. Take A as a center, construct 50-degree angle by using protractor. This is 50 degree. Again, listen carefully. How to do? Yes. We want to draw line segment AB 6 centimeter. We want to draw line segment AB 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Take A as a center. Construct 50-degree angle by using protractor. 50-degree angle by using protractor. This is 50-degree angle. Right. 50-degree angle. Again, take B as a center. Again, construct 50-degree angle. Take B as a center. Again, construct 50-degree angle by using protractor. Take B as a center. Construct 50-degree angle by using protractor. Now listen here, where you are doing mistake, students. Just now I told 50-degree is the acute angle, not obtuse angle. If you are measuring like that, your answer is wrong because this is obtuse angle. But we want to draw acute angle. We want to draw acute angle. This is 50-degree angle. You are observing, student, here. This is 50-degree angle. Now you are observing here, both arc are intersecting at one point. That point is C. This is construction of ABC. Write down step 1. Write down step 1. Draw line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw line segment Draw line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Step 2. Step 2. Take A as a center. Take A as a center. Take A as a center. Construct Take A as a center. Construct angle XAB. Angle XAB is equal to 50-degree. Take A as a center, construct angle XAB is equal to 50 degree. Next, step 3, take B as a center, take B as a center, construct angle YBA, angle YBA is equal to 50 degree. Next, step 4, AX and YB intersect at point C. AX and YB intersect at point C. Hence, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Hence, triangle ABC is the required, hence ABC is the required triangle. Now I have completed chapter 2. Step 1, draw line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Step 2, take A as a center, construct XAB 50 degree. Take B as a center, construct YBA 50 degree. Step 4, AX and YB intersect at point C. Hence, ABC is the required triangle. Yes.